Hey guys, what's going on? It's Riley here with Canadian Dividend Investing, and welcome to episode 14 of my Questrade series where we try to grow the account to $100,000 in the first year. As you can see, it's a very down day today. We're down $1,000 or 1.32%. Total, we're up still $3,393. The portfolio is up to $80,250. We started in September of 2024, so the account's been open for 5-6 months or so. So substantial gains in the portfolio. We're really moving well. Again, great time to pick up the dip. Going to continue to dollar cost average VFV into this portfolio. So we're going to do so today. So I'm just going to blur the screen so we can make some buys. The beanie today, having a bad hair day, so I threw the beanie on, just so you guys know. So we're gonna do some buys. We have $4,000 to play with today in the S&P, currently trading at 153.07. We're gonna do margin buy in this account with market order and dollar amount. So I think we have 41, if I'm not mistaken, $100 to play with. So let's go with that. Perfect. So that brings us to 26 shares of VFV that just went through. So again, picking up shares as the share price is a little bit lower, which I can't complain. One thing I did want to mention before we go over to the Blossom dividends is I did finish another book that I wanted to share with you guys. It is The Psychology of Money. I know I was recommended this book by a lot of people. I'm not sure how many of you have already read this book. Great book though. Go pick this up. 3 points that I really kind of got out of the book. Number one is your ability to stay frugal and save outweighs any investment return. So you could be putting in tons and tons of money into the markets that outweighs any investment return, whether that be real estate, investing in the stock market, etc. Your ability to save outweighs all of that. Next thing, doing the average thing when everyone else is going crazy. So continuing to dollar cost average in an S&P 500 index rather than timing the market, investing in meme coins, investing in crypto. And you know what? I think there's a time and place for all those things, but just setting a smaller percentage of your portfolio just to be a little bit more risk averse. And don't get me wrong, there is those high flyers who do really well with those things, but for your average investor, this is the way to go for sure. Last thing is a strategy that I follow, obviously, is dollar cost averaging an index fund is the best way to invest. And I guess the best way to invest could be interpreted in a bunch of different ways, but best way of investing is being risk averse with still making substantial gains. And that's what I think I've been able to do with my portfolios, and hopefully you have done the same too. So before I let you guys go, we're going to jump over to the Blossom account. Again, link to Questrade, Wealthsimple, and Blossom are in the description. Before we head there too, don't forget to subscribe. I think 75 to 80% of my viewers are not subscribed, so go hit the subscribe button. You'll get weekly updates on my portfolio. And then once we finish this series, we're going to start a new one, and someone actually guessed what that series was last week, so congratulations to you. And so without further ado, let's jump into the Blossom account. Hey guys, this is the Blossom dividend forecast in the Blossom Pro app. I had another one of my viewers say that he upgraded to the Blossom Pro app and did not regret it, so go check that out. There's a bunch of different features that you can kind of play with as well. Again, the Blossom free version is great too, but try out the Blossom paid version is even better, obviously. So annually, we're up to $4,381 in dividends. On a monthly basis, we're making about $365, and on a daily basis, we are finally up to $12. So that's pretty exciting. Hope you guys are having a great end of January. Again, middle of the winter for us Canadians, so hang in there. The spring is coming soon. Hope you guys have a great week, and happy investing.